Do you guys hear that? Okay. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Did you purchase one of our quality build starters and you have this technical bulletin inside of the box? And this technical bulletin talks about starter shimming. So what is starter shimming? On some General Motor applications, starter shimming may be required. What does that mean? Basically, what we're trying to do, trying to explain to our customers is that sound that you hear, it's not a manufacturer's defect. That's the sound of the starter drive gear and the flex plate or flywheel not engaging properly. So starter shimming, what it does is that it basically assures a perfect air gap between the flex plate or flywheel and the starter drive gear. One of the preferred methods of doing so, which is what this technical bulletin talks about, is removing the solenoid cap from the starter, installing it on the vehicle, and activating the clutch fork manually to engage the drive gear with the flex plate. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a 1/8 drill bit, and we're going to check the gap between that flex plate or flywheel and the drive gear, which what we're looking for is it's nice and snug, 1/8 of an inch air gap. And this is the preferred method of doing so, which is accurate.
Some folks think that the spacers or the shims go right here underneath the starter. No, that is a no-no. It goes between the engine block mounting pad and the starter, which is right here.
Thank you for watching.